So you might be in a situation where for some reason within Snapchat, you're getting some problems that Snapchat's not working or it's giving you some problems here and there. And I'll show you some ways that you can probably fix a majority of different Snapchat errors that you might end up having. One of the easiest things you can do is to basically go through and swipe up out of Snapchat, just close out of Snapchat like this and open up Snapchat again. A lot of the times if you just go through, open up Snapchat, close it, it's really one of the easiest things you can do, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation. Now, another thing I'd recommend doing here too is to basically go through and updating Snapchat. So go right inside of your application for Snapchat like this, and go ahead and try updating the Snapchat application. For a lot of ways, for a lot of people, if you just go through and if you just update Snapchat, that is probably going to be the main way to go and fix a majority of issues that you're going to be having within Snapchat. You're not going to believe it, but it really is as basic as that. So try going through, try updating your Snapchat application, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation as well. So give it a try updating it. If that's still not working, you can also try going through and you can try deleting your Snapchat application. So try going through and try holding down the Snapchat app like this and try clicking on the remove app button, which is right here. So tap on remove app and you want to go ahead and try deleting the application that way. Try going through, try deleting your Snapchat application, and that's another very important thing I'd recommend doing, and then reinstall Snapchat. So try going through, try reinstalling Snapchat, and I think that's another really important thing to do as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.